Is that because it's women that build the houses and most of the women are short? So then the house gets to this height.
The houses are built the height of the girls.
Yeah, if it's the men that were building the 6'4" guys, the house would be this tall.
The short ones are bring the materials to the high ones to make the house.
So the taller you are, you're on roof duty now.
When you bring it,
You're back. No, you are not moving. This is how the house started. Or 3 couples.
Father, mother, and child.
Oh, a family of 3. Okay. So you have solar panels.
Yeah,
Who brought the solar panels?
Doing for us.
Who?
They pray.
Sponsors.
Or just sponsors brought solar panels for the kids too?
For the ones who have been very sharp.
So you're saying the mother makes the house, and then when the kids get to 10, they're not allowed to sleep in the same house as the parents, so that they
make a house for the children.
Okay.
Hats. My name is Tepis. This house I'm going to sleep at night. These are not one house, these are temporary houses. So it's a family of 5 people, father, mother, and 3 children.
Oh, 5 people sleep in here.
Sleep here, father, mother, and 3 children sleep here. Oh guys. So this house is only for 5 father, mother, and 3 children.
Are you skin dry outside?
We kill them for the meat.
Yeah.
We skin the skin, we dry out for 1 day. Later we bring back, we use for sleeping. The room we are there is father, mother. Here is for the children. So here is the kitchen. So why we can barbecue meat or boiling meat.
And there's a little window here for ventilation. And there's a guard dog out here. Mbwakali. Oh no, it's gone.
Yeah. Boys.
So this is their school boxes. We went with this to high school, boarding school. Yeah.
They carry.
Yeah.
It's a day school.
Yeah.
So they're in school now. Later,
Yeah.
and they come put their
Or they put their books and stuff in here.
their books.
safe.
Yeah.
Are people usually okay opening up their homes? Do you feel like it's an invasion of your privacy? If, say, like as guests we've come, we're inside your house right now.
Because they see how we live.
Yeah,
They see it's not a privacy.
yeah,
It's good to see the house inside.
yeah.
Because we like that.
Oh, you like that?
Because
Okay.
you, see, you come to like, you're coming to see how the house, because
Yeah, inside.
the house
yeah.
outside, but inside you know.
Yeah,
So that's why you see, don't touch a book when
By
it's
its cover, yeah.
You must see inside.
inside. Yeah,
That's why you're here now.
yeah.
You'll be here, you see.
Oh, so you can get 2 wives. You just pick 2 wives.
Yeah.
I'm feeling the heat in here. Like it's nice sitting next to this little opening for the window, but I'm just dripping. Are you sweating as you as well, right? Yeah.
Must be pretty warm.
It is pretty warm. That's why maybe during the day people just sit outside.
I wonder, like water, for instance. Where do you guys get water?
Water we get from the river.
How far is the river?
It's 200 meters.
200 meters. Oh, so you're very close to a water source. When you cook
Yeah.
and there's a smoke, because you use steak and fire
This is
and dry grass,
So
maybe? So smoke.
smoke goes there. Sometimes we open here.
Also, you open up the
Open,
sides.
yeah.
Ah, okay, okay.
So my name is Tepis.
Tepis.
How do you spell it?
T-E-P-I-S. Tepis. And my Christian name is John.
John. Who gave you a Christian name?
I was in school.
Oh, school.
Yeah. When the rain comes, the skins, we have to skins now. So once we kill it, and once we skin the skin, the dry skin, some skin we sleep on it, some we
You hang over.
over, and then because it's a waterproof,
Yes.
no rain coming.
Yeah.
But
Plastic.
some years back, we used the cow dung. But the cow dung, when the rain comes, it rains, push them down.
You rained on with cow dung.
We live with
That's
it.
good.
So like how old is this house would you say then?
It's now 8 months now.
Oh, 8 months.
So it's 2 months, no, 4 months to change.
And then do you move it in another place or you just build the
near
gate?
school. So
Okay, so
during
the
our time we walk 10 kilometers to go to school. But now it's 3 to because the school is near. Yeah.
Oh, you're a teacher. Hi.